together taking a drive to Switzerland. Let me introduce you all to others. This is Funny. He's my sweet husband.
I'm Antariksh and I'm very excited to travel with such a wonderful blogger. Need to learn, and I'm going to Geneva. That's also really fantastic. And tomorrow I'm going to meet my spiritual master Shri Ravi Shankar. I'm also doubly excited for it.
Hello, I am Shailendra and very excited to travel to Geneva and be part of this meditation event with His Holiness Shri Ravi Shankar.
Hi, Darshan here. We're all going to meet Shri Ravi Shankar in Geneva.
This will be your last call. This will be your last call. 20 minutes, you're done being alone. This will be your last call. 20 minutes, you're done being alone.
Right now we are on the way from Frankfurt to Switzerland and we are just passing through Black Forest. It's basically called Black Forest because the forest is so thick that sun rays don't really reach the bottom of the forest. A fun fact, did you all know that the cake we eat called Black Forest was actually originated in this area? Geneva some time ago, also checked in to our hostel. It's called Geneva Hostel. There's a lot of young crowd. The rooms are very nice and tidy.
I went out and tried to cut a pine tree down. Fell through the ground like Alice. Oh, what a sound. This must be a nest. I got rocks and sticks against my chest. I'm Alice, dear Queen of Hearts. I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell King of Hearts.
So this is a private harbor. Most of the boats over here are private. I can totally imagine how the rich Swiss people would be taking some sun in the middle of the lake during the summers after spending the whole winter in snow. So we were walking through the garden and we came to this place. It's called Fluerie, and this is a flower clock. This second arm right over here is said to be the longest in the world. Switzerland is very famous for its luxury watches and watchmakers. Let's find out more about it in the video to be coming.
Then bring out the heavy artillery. Oh, Justice is my middle name. I'm Alice, dear Queen of Hearts. I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to.
I see a lot of big brands in watches. Geneva is having history of watchmaking and luxury. Once King of Geneva banned people from wearing jewelry. So all the jewelers went their business into watchmaking, where they were making luxurious watches embedded with pearls, rubies and all gold. Today's Geneva is the heart of luxury watches. We just got onto the tram, and this tram is taking us through the most beautiful parts of Geneva.
I'm Alice, dear Queen of Hearts. I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind.
This is the beautiful Carouge. Unfortunately, it's Sunday today and most of the shops are closed, but this place is so beautiful with all its unique boutiques. and Italian architecture. Can't wait to come back on a working day. Geneva is on the border and it's on the border of France. So we're going to France for a ropeway.
and the horizon silver line.
So we wanted to take the cable car and get on top of that hill right there. On the other side of that hill we have France, but unfortunately to our surprise the cable car is not working. However, we're taking a small stroll through this beautiful place and get closer to that hill.
Can you tell me where to start? I need someone to empty this heart. Any direction now would help. Let me give you a piece of it.
After another scenic drive back, we came to this restaurant. It's a Lebanese/Moroccan restaurant and I have ordered something called moussaka. I always wanted to taste it since the time my friends told me about it. We also asked for couscous, that's in vegetable option. So after visiting all the places in Geneva, right now we're going to the Art of Living event.
Edges and heavy rocks. We keep on dancing. Yes, we've traveled far, seen so many dogs.
And we finally reach our venue.
To get some rest.